Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two impressive steam mops, the Newbealer steam mop and handheld cleaner, and the Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. When it comes to price, the Newbealer steam mop is a wallet-friendly choice at $104, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub is priced at $139, which is a bit higher but might be worth it for its additional features. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Newbealer, highlighting its efficiency and versatility across different flooring types. However, some Shark users mention that the extra cost is justified by its superior scrubbing capabilities, especially for tough stains. In terms of steam power, the Newbealer packs a punch with 1200 W heating up in just 20 seconds, offering 3 adjustable steam modes for different cleaning tasks. On the other hand, the Shark features rotating pads that scrub at an impressive rate of over 150 scrubs per minute. Reviewers rave about the Newbealer's quick heating and effective cleaning, while Shark fans love the automated scrubbing feature that makes tough stains a breeze to handle. Looking at functionality, the Newbealer is like a versatile Swiss Army knife, with its detachable handheld cleaner and multiple attachments for various surfaces. Reviewers highlight its adaptability, making it suitable for everything from floors to cars. In contrast, the Shark is designed specifically for sealed hard floors and offers automatic scrubbing, taking the manual effort out of cleaning. Users appreciate the convenience of Shark's built-in sanitizing feature, but some note it may struggle with corners due to its round pads. Weight is another crucial factor. The Newbealer is incredibly lightweight at just 3.96 pounds. Making it easy to maneuver and ideal for those who may struggle with heavier devices. Reviewers have noted how easy it is to use, especially in homes with kids or pets. The Shark, while sleek and durable, is heavier, which might be a consideration for those looking to avoid strain during cleaning. Some users even mention it provides a good workout. Overall, the Newbealer steam mop is praised for its affordability, versatility, and lightweight design, while the Shark Steam and Scrub receives high marks for its powerful scrubbing capabilities and ease of use on hard floors. Both have their strengths, making them suitable for different cleaning needs. So there you have it. The Newbealer steam mop and handheld cleaner shines with its lightweight design and versatility, while the Shark Steam and Scrub excels in scrubbing power and ease of use for hard floors. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description.